Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days. Today I'm unboxing my Ocean Medallions. We have an upcoming sailing on a Medallion-class ship on Princess Cruises, and our medallions have arrived. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the cruising resources section at debsdays.com. You'll find tips, trip reports, ship and port-specific information, and plenty of photos. You'll also find a section dedicated to the Ocean Medallion and the Medallion-class ships. So we received this box by FedEx with a mailing address from Florida. It looks that there's another label underneath this, so I'm going to go ahead and peel this top label off and see what I have underneath. Taking off that label didn't do much for me. It just tells me there are 2 medallions in here, that I have no accessories. I didn't merge an order, I don't know what that means, and then some other things. So that didn't really help much. But let's go ahead and open it now. So this box has a little pull tab here. So let's go ahead and pop that open. And open the lid. And if the box is like the one I had before, it's going to be a nice Medallion-class box. Let's go ahead and take that out of there. And it is. It has Ocean on the back and the different brands. Princess Cruises on the side. I'm guessing that's either a company who makes it or delivers it. An Ocean on the other side. And it's a flip top, again, if I remember right, box. Yep. The Sea Witch logo. A thank you. Maximize your experience. This other side comes out. Amplify your vacation. Enjoy your princess experience. Welcome to Medallion-class. Start your fun. Makes the excitement build. Explore your world. And then we have our medallions. Ours are black because we're elite, so they're color-coded according to your loyalty level. If for some reason the ones you get aren't color-coded to your loyalty level, you can either contact the Ocean Ready team or wait till you get on board and then go ahead and have them switched out. They can get you new ones. So ours has our names on it, as well as our ship name and our sail date. I'm going to go and pop this out. We'll be on the ship for 3 weeks. This one medallion on 3 back-to-back cruises will take care of it for us. We only need 1 medallion for all 3 voyages. And these pop out nice and easy. They're about the size of a quarter, a little bit bigger. They do have some thickness to them. It says Ocean on the side. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. And they are magnetic. Actually, they stick together. Right? And there's the backs. Right, and then we have some paperwork inside, some instructions. I'll go ahead and open all of this. Ocean view. Play Ocean. That's for the games. Ocean Now. We've used this on the ship to order drinks and even some pizza and fries out by the pool. Ocean Casino. If you're a casino player, you can download the app and play on your device, or they have portals around the ship. Ocean Compass. I use this one a lot as well to find my husband around the ship. It's another app you can download, or you can use the portals on the ship. It also helps you get your way around the ship as well. Let's see, what do we have on the back? More pictures. Talks about the how to do the lanyard. I'll pull the box out that has a lanyard in just a minute. Looking for the navigators. There are people who are dressed in these blue shirts all around the ship. Particularly in the oceanfront area, that help you with your medallion if you have any questions or issues. Yep, talks about oceanfront right there. Talks about Medallion Net, fastest Wi-Fi at sea. Unless you're in Alaska, not necessarily the case, but otherwise it's great in the Caribbean. Ocean Concierge, and some other things that go on Medallion-class ships, like the Good Spirits at Sea, that's down on the piazza, down at the bar. Sail Away Celebration, they've redone that. Fortuna Luck, if you haven't seen her, she's out and about. And the Pirate Queen. All right, we'll tuck that multi-page thing to the side. And then let's see what we have in here next. It looks like a user manual, It says it contains no user controls or user serviceable parts. I know that you don't have to plug it in, or there are no batteries to charge. I know that. Let's see. There is no user mechanism to turn off the radio transmitter in this device. It says Ocean Medallion's been tested, found to comply with the limits for a Class B digital device. I have no idea what that means. Maybe someone does. It also complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Don't know what that means either. Product contains magnets, which could be harmful to pacemaker users and others with medical implants. The Ocean Medallion should be kept at least 6 inches away from pacemakers and other sensitive medical equipment. And it talks about environmental protection. Waste electrical products should not be disposed of with household waste. Please recycle where facilities exist. And some other information there. All right, and then we'll get, looks like our lanyards are in here. I'll grab mine. We have a case to put the medallion in. Now all the cases right now come in blue, no matter your loyalty level. These things are pretty easy to pop open, and it had the directions in that little pamphlet I just showed you a minute ago. Well, probably easier than me doing it on camera. It will pop open, and you can take the insert out. They also have inserts available on the ship for purchase, or you can make your own. I've done that too. I've run, I kind of trace this around a piece of paper, scan it, and then I kind of, can't remember. I made something for my husband, but he decided he didn't like it, so that's a good husband for him, huh? All right, so let's look, and these are our lanyards. Let's see, are they still white? Yep, they sure are. So, Ocean Medallion, Accenture, I guess. Ocean Medallion, looks the same, and has a little clip. This little clip here will slide into this. You can also not use a lanyard. We're not going to use a lanyard because we're not lanyard people. My husband just takes this, puts his medallion in it, and slides it in his pocket. That's the way he keeps it. I actually have a clip that I like to use. I'll show that to you in just a second. Let's see if I can get this open. There we go. That pops open. So you'll put your you'll put your medallion right in there. You can put this back in if you want it. I'm not going to use it, but actually let's do his, because I know he's going to want his in the case. So we might as well do that now. So he'll be set. And then just close it back up. All right, and that's the way my husband uses his medallion. Like I said, you can use this, or you can pick one of these up on the ship. They're not very expensive. I don't remember the pricing, but they're not that much. So his is ready to go. He's good for the trip. Go ahead and dig out. I guess I used his lanyard. I don't think it really matters. I mean, our names are on here, but this part doesn't really matter. If these were color-coded, it might matter, but they aren't. I'm not even going to open the lanyard because I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to use this, so I'm going to slide that to the side. For mine, I'm going to use, I have this clip that I picked up on Caribbean Princess. I love the clip. It's really sturdy. I clip it to the inside of my shirt and it stays. So all I need to do is open this up, slide it in, and I'm good. I'm ready for my trip. So mine's good to go. His is good to go. You can pick these up on the ship. There is a cost, though, I will tell you that. And in this box, if it's the same as last time, it's an empty filler box. It is not a thing. So I have all these papers now that came with it. A lot of stuff just for me to throw away. So it is kind of a little wasteful package to think we got this big old package and all we wound up with were just a couple medallions and the cases, but oh well, what am I going to do about it? Currently, the only people who can have these shipped to their homes are people residing in the U.S. If you're outside the U.S., you'll just pick these up at port. They'll have these available for you, just like before the cruise card. You used to go pick up your cruise card when you checked in. You just pick up your medallion. We have our medallions. We're ready to go on our trip. Interested in cruising on a MedallionClass ship? Go to debsdays.com and click on Contact Me. Let me put together a cruise vacation suited just for you. My services are at no additional cost.